right? Right. So binomial coefficients, you know, right? Yesterday I explained, once I'll recall for you, okay? Did you watch yesterday videos? Half. Why half? Right. See here, binomial coefficient related 1 plus x whole power n. Already you know that nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so and so plus ncn into x power n. Okay. If I am substituting x is equal to 1, I will get 2 power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 plus so and so plus ncn, because x value is 1. But this can be written as 2 power n is equal to c0 plus c1 plus c2 plus so and so plus cn. This is what you have to learn. Okay. This is already yesterday I explained. Okay. Then after that 1 plus x whole power n, this expansion is there. If I substitute x is equal to minus 1, okay, what I am going to get? This I will get as 1 minus 1 0, 0 power n is equal to nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus so and so. Correct? Finally you get as ncn minus 1 power n I will get. So if I send this side nc1, so I will not write nc now. Coefficient I will not write nc. Now I will write as c1 plus c3 plus c5 so and so will be equal to c0 plus c2 plus so and so, means c4 plus so and so. Right? Right. So what we write here, c1, this if you substitute here, you separate, I already explained, I don't need to want to explain it, but आपने नहीं बोला so तो explain कर रहा हूँ और एक बार. c0, this one is there, na? This one I can expand as c0 plus c2 plus c4, one combination, plus c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus so and so combination is equal to 2 power n. So this here, these both are same. Okay, so we can replace this one as this one as that. So if you replace, what you get here, if I replace, suppose in this place, c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus so and so, and plus you get c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus so and so equal to 2 power n. Finally you get as 2 times of c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus so and so is equal to 2 power n. So c1 plus c3 plus c5 is equal to 2 power n divided by 2, that is minus 1. So yesterday I gave already this formula. So short revision I did. So this you have to know. Okay. This already you know, right? We'll go to the next concept. This is can be written as sigma. Sigma. What you can write this is CR. Sigma CR. R is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2 power n. Right? I can write like this. Did you understand? C0 onwards it starts. C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus Cn is equal to 2 power n. So this is I can write as R is equal to 0 to n, CR 2 power n. Right? And one more I have what we have. One more we have C1 plus C3 plus C5. This is equal to how much? 2 power n minus 1 we have. And another one is C0 plus C2 plus C4. This is also we have 2 power n minus 1. Right? Right? So this is how to write. This is we can write as sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r. Okay, 1 power r CR. Okay, we can use this one for this one. C0 plus minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 C0, C2, C3 plus C4 minus C5. Suppose you have like this. This value is 0. This value is 0. Right? C0, C1, C2, this value is 0. So this I can write as in sigma notation. We write as sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r CR. This value is equal to 0. Okay, so two derivations. Did you understand? Understood? So इसको लिख सकते हैं ऐसे ना, C0 plus C1 plus C2 C3 plus so and so Cn is equal to 2 power n. This can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n, Cr is equal to 2 power n. And for this one, C0, C1, C2, C3, this is can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r Cr is equal to 0. This we will not write. Okay, only we will write that. Now we will do the problems on this. Okay, based on this. See, based on this, what you have to remember is C0, C1, C2, C3, so and so plus Cn is there. The answer is 2 power n. In sigma, we write as sigma r is equal to 0 to n, Cr is equal to 2 power n. And in this case, we write as sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r Cr is equal to 0. We use this only. Now we will do the problems based on that. This chapter I am going to explain very, like this topic I will explain very much, like 3-4 days I will explain, and some shortcuts I will explain. Shortcuts will be JEE questions. Okay, JEE questions shortcuts are there, so I will explain shortcuts JEE questions. Odd numbers are in this which form? See, suppose C1, C3, C5 है ना, so and so. This is can be written as what? Sigma r is equal to 0 to n, 2n plus 1. 2n plus form. 2n plus form will be there, but it is not required. Okay, so evaluate questions we will solve. Question is evaluate sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 23 Cr. This is one question. Second question is evaluate sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 24 Cr. Okay, now let's start. So it's running. Okay, so here sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 23 Cr. Sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 24 Cr. We have to find these values. So let us see how to find these values. Okay, so how to find here? See, this I can write as sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 23 Cr. I can expand as 23 C1 C0 first, 23 C0 plus 23 C1 plus 23 C2 plus 23 C3 plus so and so plus what I can write, till where I can write 23 C11. Understood? Right? So 23 C11. Now what do you do here? I want to find this whole value. So can I do this one? This can 23 C0 can be written as 23 C23, right? And this is can be written as 23 C22, and this is can be written as 23 C21. So let us consider what I am doing here. This is I am considering as S, and I am writing this one as 23 like that 21. Next I can write was here 23 minus 3 20. Likewise if I do, what I will get here finally 23 23 minus 11, 12 is equal to S. Yes, if I add these both, S plus S, 2S, and S plus S how much? 2S. And this, if you see this one, 23C0, 23C1, 23C2, 23C12, C11. Next what you have? 12, 13, 14, 15 likewise. So means I will get how much here? 23C0 plus 23C2, C1. Okay, C1 plus 23C2 plus so and so. I will get all 23 like this only. Are you getting it? 20C11, what I get as 23C11, 23C12, likewise I will get totally 23C23 I will get. Sum of binomial coefficients, 2 to the power of n. So here n is how much? 23. So I will get as this one, as 2 to the power of 23 is equal to 2S. So S is equal to 2 to the power of 23 divided by 2. S is equal to 2 to the power of 22 is the answer. Understood?